Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Taiba Awais. Today, I am going to take your third class of phonics sounds. Let's start. In previous classes, we learned about the sound of A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, F. In today's class, we learn the sound of some new letters. This is capital G. This is capital G. This is capital G. Trace it with your dominant finger. Capital G. This is small g. This is small g. This is small g. Trace it with your dominant finger. Small g. And the G sound is G. 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 Grapes. G. G. Grapes. G. G. Grapes. G. G. Goat. G. G. Goat. G. G. Goat. G. G. Glass. G. G. Glass. G. G. Glass. G. G. Girl. G. G. Girl. G. G. Girl. Now show me where is the capital G. Capital G. Show me where is the small g. Small g. Show me where is a girl. Girl. Show me where is a grapes. Grapes. Show me where is a glass. Glass. Show me where is a goat. Goat. Which letter comes after G? H comes after G. This is capital H. This is capital H. This is capital H. Trace it with your dominant finger. H. Capital H. This is small h. This is small h. This is small h. And the H sound is H. 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 Hand. H. H. hand. H h hand. H h hat. H h hat. H h hat. H h hen. H h hen. H h hen. H h horse. H h horse. H h horse. Show me where is the capital H. Capital H. Show me where is the small h. Small h. Show me where is the hen. Hen. Show me where is the horse. Horse. Show me where is the hand. This is hand. Show me where is the hat. This is hat. Well done. Excellent.